Okay, hear that ticking sound?
Yep.
I do too. I didn't see anything in the attic. There's no water in the safety pan. I'm not seeing any moisture markers on the wall. But I hear it.
The ghost keys.
Yeah. Since there's no water in the pan,
It's flat. Not as flat.
it could be a flap. Or it could be slinging water into the air duct, but if it's doing that, then we get moisture around our air register. That blue is just cold. And that's air leaking around it, that orange.
There's that major fan, nothing's happening there, right?
Yeah, that larger, yeah. That's just a jumper. But that sounds real.